Since July 1st, members of Canada's Port Workers Union have been on strike, shutting down operations in Vancouver and at Prince Rupert Port, creating a backlog of containers from being loaded or offloaded. Here you can see the containers waiting their time to be boarded container ships set for sail on the open seas. Prince Rupert's Port is the first port en route from Asia, allowing access to the North American rail system, and services about 1.3 million containers each year.